Hello viewers, do you struggle to refuse tempting snacks? Do not worry, it's not necessary to give up favorite foods to lose weight. In this video, we will discuss the healthiest snacks that will help you lose weight and satisfy your desires. Let's get started. Rich in nutrients. Mixed nuts. Sugary and unhealthy snacks can leave you hungry later. Healthy snacks like nuts can help you lose weight. Despite its high calorie count, nuts provide fiber, protein, and beneficial fats. Scientific research reveals nuts aid weight loss. Combine walnuts, almonds, pecans, cashews, and macadamia nuts in a trail mix. Adding sunflower and flax seeds boosts nutrition. Enjoy 180 calories per ounce of this healthy snack. A delicious antioxidant-rich red bell pepper with guacamole. Snacking can be guilt-free with the right combination. Red bell pepper and guacamole please your taste buds and deliver fiber and healthy fats. Red bell peppers provide 300% of your vitamin C daily and are antioxidant-rich. This delectable, nutrient-dense combination has fewer than 200 calories, making it a healthy weight keeper. Mixed berry Greek yogurt with protein. Mixed berries and Greek yogurt create a healthful snack. Mixed berries antioxidants enhance Greek yogurt's protein, calcium, and potassium. Healthy snack. 10 grams of protein for 150 calories in this tasty combination. Heart-healthy peanut butter and apple slices. Peanut butter on apples is like 1 apple a day, keeps the doctor away. Due to antioxidants and fiber, apples and peanut butter lower cholesterol and heart disease risks. A delicious and heart-healthy snack is 1 apple and 15 grams of peanut butter for around 200 calories. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and advice. Wellness cottage. Cheese pudding with flax seeds and cinnamon. Although nutritious individually, cinnamon, flax seeds, and cottage cheese are potent combined. This combination reduces blood sugar and weight. This pudding has 150 calories and 15 grams of protein. Crisp, healthy kale chips. Health advantages, including antioxidants that decrease blood pressure and colon cancer risk, are making kale more popular. Kale chips are convenient and attractive for healthy snackers. Celery sticks with cream cheese. Easy and yummy. Eating cream cheese and celery sticks is healthy and yummy. The antioxidants in celery lower inflammation and cancer risk. 5 celery sticks and 2 ounces of cream cheese create a well-balanced 200-calorie snack. Dark chocolate-covered almonds. Rich, heart-healthy. Treat your sweet craving will be satisfied by dark chocolate with almonds, a powerful flavanol combo that decreases heart attack and blood pressure. For best results, choose 70% cocoa dark chocolate. This tasty snack is heart-healthy thanks to almonds, which reduce blood sugar. Cool, antioxidant-rich cucumber slices with hummus. A pleasant snack is hummus and cucumber slices. Hummus decreases inflammation and heart disease, whereas cucumbers combat cancer with cucurbitacin E. This 180-calorie mix pleases dieters. Simple yet potent fruit bite. A slice of fruit may satisfy your cravings and cut calories. Fruits including bananas, apples, pears, and grapes are weight loss snacks on the road. Delicious, nutrient-rich cherry tomatoes with mozzarella are delightful and healthful. Due to their vitamin C and antioxidant content, tomatoes lessen heart disease and cancer risk. Mozzarella cheese is high in protein and B12. Under 200 calories, this dessert combination is delicious and nutritious. Fiber-rich, keto and vegan snack. Chia pudding. Chia seeds provide antioxidants and fiber for healthy pudding. This weight loss snack has 200 calories or fewer, a delicious vegan or ketogenic option. Weight loss protein. Powerhouse, hard-boiled eggs. Due to their protein and vitamin K2 and B12 content, hard-boiled eggs aid in weight reduction. Eggs are full, so having fewer snacks in the day cuts calories. 2 hard-boiled eggs are 140 calories and 13 g protein. Blue cheese dressed baby carrots. Antioxidant. Crunched carotenoids make carrots and blue cheese dressing go nicely. A delightful snack. It prevents cataracts, cancer, and heart disease. Eat 100 grams of baby carrots and 30 grams of blue cheese dressing for 200 calories. Cheese blocks make great, simple snacks. Cheese can help you lose weight, contrary to common belief. 2 servings of cheese a day don't elevate cholesterol, a study shows. Cheese is a hearty food with 14 grams of protein and 200 calories per 60 grams. Healthy travel beef jerky or 6. Beef jerky with less sugar and chemicals is a portable, high-protein snack. Choose grass-fed beef for omega-3s. For busy folks, this tasty snack is healthful and fast. In summary, losing weight requires commitment and smart choices, and snacking is part of a balanced diet. These filling, nutrient-rich snacks might help you lose weight without sacrificing taste. Remember that moderation is crucial to fitness success. A balanced diet and regular exercise can assist. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you in the next video.